Alright guys, and welcome back. Right, in the last Nova episode, I removed the sunroof from this 1990 Nova SR. So by the end of the episode, we're going to have the whole filled on the sunroof. It's going to be all welded up. It's going to either look amazing or I'm going to need a new roof skin. Watch to the end and find out. So here's the bit of roof skin. It is actually off and over. The roof was damaged, so I just cut the section out. I've laid this on top. I've marked it with some primer. Again, as seen in previous video. And now I'm going to use this edge as a line to cut it out. And there we go. One sunroof shaped panel. There we go guys, it's all fettled now, so it should fit perfect. Fingers crossed. Right, panel's in, and as you can see, it fits really well, so I'm dead chuffed with that. So next job is to start tacking it in, just very slowly, odd tack here and there, and then just fettle it and make it as perfect as I can. Right guys, so I'm using 0.6 MIG wire. The reason I'm using 0.6 not 0.8 is it's a little bit thinner, so in theory there should be less heat to get the tack. So I'm just going to slowly tack around the whole thing and see what it looks like. Right, we've tacked a quarter of it, probably less than that actually, and it's going all right so far. And we've taken the time, so this is going to take hours and hours and hours, but so far so good. So I'll see you in a few hours guys when it's all done. Right guys, I've just made this. Now this is a little bit of flattened copper pipe and I use it for bridging gaps on steel. So obviously I've cut the skin out for the roof, I've put it on, and there's a couple of bits where it's a little bit too loose. So there's a couple of mil gap. Put this behind it. You can weld over the top. The weld doesn't stick to the copper, and it just allows you to bridge the gap without the weld falling through the hole. So it's just a little top tip from me. Right guys, you can hopefully see that I've finished welding the sunroof. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, it's not gone as well as I'd hoped. This side's pretty good. It's kept the original line of the roof. I'm pretty happy with it. However, this side, for whatever reason, has dipped down. Whatever I did, I couldn't rectify it. So, I am going to get a panel beater, my friend Cookie, hopefully, to have a good look at this and see what he thinks he can do with it, because it may need ditching, I'm not sure. So, because of that, and because time is pressing and I've got lots of things to do, this is going to go on the back burner for now. I'm going to leave it. I may even put a new skin on it. I might put a carbon fibre skin on it. We may be able to fix it, I don't know, but I ain't got the time. So yeah, unfortunately, it's going to have to stay like this for now. So guys, I'm really sorry to disappoint that we've not really ended the video how we wanted to, but we have welded it up and it is pretty much watertight, which is a good thing. But the positive news is I can now start on this.